This 20 volts max cordless kit includes one brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool, 28 popular cutting and sanding attachments, accessory storage box, universal accessory adapter, 120Ah battery, charger, and tool bag. This DEWALT cordless oscillating multi-tool has a powerful brushless motor providing up to 57% more runtime over a similar brush tool. The 3-speed selector allows users to choose their speed setting based on the application. The quick change accessory system allows you to change blades quickly and easily. And with the universal accessory adapter, it's compatible with most oscillating tool accessories. The dual grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate speed and application control. The DEWALT oscillating tool guide system allows you to customize the depth or height for accurate repeatability. And the bright LED light illuminates dark workspaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The 3-speed selector of DEWALT 20 volts tools allows users to choose their speed setting based on the application. Number 2. The brushless motor of the DEWALT oscillating tool delivers up to 57% more runtime over brush. Number 3. Dual grip variable speed trigger of DEWALT cordless tools gives users ultimate speed and application control. Number 4. Universal accessory adapter for use with most oscillating tool accessory brands. Number 5. The quick change accessory system allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. Number 6. Bright LED light illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long it needs to recharge the battery? Answer. Battery runtime and a charge may vary depending upon factors including but not limited to charging conditions, usage of the tool, storage, environmental conditions, age, etc. Question number 2. Will it do rough sanding? Answer. Yes. Includes popular cutting and sanding attachments to help complete a variety of projects. Question number 3. Does this come with a semicircle saw blade or is this an extra accessory you need to purchase? Answer. Yes. The semicircle blade is included in the accessory kit. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.